Hey guys, right now I'm going to show you a couple of the different clipping tools that we have in Cloudworx. So I've got AutoCAD pulled up and I'm in my Cloudworx tab, and you'll see here I've got a bunch of different clipping tools. The first one I'm going to show you here, I have my house, and I have this hide outside. I can choose hide outside or hide inside. And this is just I'm just gonna draw a quick box around my house, and this is gonna just hide everything that's outside of that box. So this makes things a little cleaner. I can really see what's going on without the noise of the trees and everything. There's also a limit box, which is very similar, but it's just a 3D box. So I can choose my 2 points, X and Y, and then I choose an elevation to give it a box. I also have these X, Y, and Z axis tools. So this is where it really comes in handy to align your job with the coordinate system. And so it's everything's aligned, and this view cube is aligned with your site or your building. You can see how to do that in another video. So these you can see this X-axis tool. If I view this from the top and I choose X-axis, you'll see this line in the X-axis. So I can slice the house there and slice the house there. It'll just create this slice so that I can view the home at that slice. If ever I want to, I can move this slice forward and backwards. So if I want to move this forward, and it'll move it one slice thickness forward. I can also go backwards. So this can be very useful for drawing out rooms or anything like that. If you ever want to get rid of the clip, you can go ahead and say reset clip, and that's going to reset all the clips, so it's going to bring back everything. Another thing to note is that all of these clips that we've been doing so far have been saved in the clipping manager here. So if we open this up, and like I didn't save any of the clips individually, so everything that we've done has been saved here. So the first clip here was the one where we just isolated the house. If we want to activate that, just check that box, and you'll see everything else disappears. That last clip that we did, if we wanted to pull that in, we can jump right back to that. So if you wanted to just clip out a certain wall, you could always jump right back into that clip if you needed to. So we can uncheck that, go back to our house. Another option you have is to clip in the Z-axis. So if you choose the Z-axis, you can zoom in here, choose a couple different points, just right on the Z-axis, and this will create a nice slice. So you'll be able to see the floor plan. If you want to jump up and down, you can still use this forward and backward tool to push up and down through the house. So it makes it very useful to be able to create these slices and kind of get rid of everything that you don't need to see when you're either drawing or modeling from the point cloud. And at the end of the day, you can always hit reset clip, and it'll bring back everything that you started with. Alright guys, I hope that made sense. If you have any questions about this, please leave it in the comments or shoot me an email. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.